mes cheveux.
Hey guys, it is like 2 days later maybe, and then I finally finished everything that I had to make, and now I just to clean them up and then bake them and then sand them and paint and resin. So I should be done with this by next week. Today is Thursday. I should be done with them today. Maybe I'll start painting them today. I'm not sure because I have a game with my brother today. He has a game, so I have to go to that. I don't want to, but I have to.
I don't know why she has never something going on with room number 3. Something we ain't.
There we go into the baking. Put timer 13 minutes. Okay, now I'm gonna change. Okay guys, here's everything. They're all baked. Now it's time to sand them down and then paint them and resin them. Okay guys, time to paint them. Time to paint them all. Huzzah! I should be done with painting today. Maybe resin them. These two. This one is my top priority right now. So let's do it!
Yeah, I've never been. Where's the trash can? Why don't we keep the trash?
Okay guys, I'm done painting them. Now it's time to resin them and then make them, and then boom, we're done. The resin part should be done for tomorrow, but these two are this one is my most priority right now. So I need to get this done and then do some other things with it. So yes, it looks so cute though. Very cute.
Miss Frankie, the devil knocked.
Hopefully it's all Gucci. Let's just just like that. Period. But they're really cute. We're going
I'm never gonna get that. Is this the hardest part of the game?
to reveal this. Oh my god, I was right. Oh my god. But see, that's what I thought. I thought these were going to be too high, which I was right about it. So this is very cutesy. It's like so. I'm not sure if I do like a but I don't really mind. It's not like I use these guys a lot, so. And I got my tools with me. Here they are. Yeah, I think this will be fine. I feel like it's a little bit too small though. Put that boy in here. This one right